Breast camel lives. Like,
Let's go. Chain something.
I do find it crazy how they usually have a jail.
Bro, the environments, dog.
That's guys.
3D.
They did a good job with the artwork for the background. Bro, you gotta come with no kneecaps.
I was literally about to say that. I feel like there might be something to it.
Damn, you
And
only
I
got
said
2
this
years
in the
left,
last
bro.
one. I feel like Aki's
I'll cut you some
getting
slack.
in the future. I think it was something silly. Did everyone be like, nah? I feel like
I'll
it'll be
give you
something
a
like
strand of hair.
because Aki's only got 2 years left. So it's kind of like,
He wants to
That's so
rinse his fun.
yeah, like if the devil said you have half a life.
This dude's toast.
I think you'll be fine.
So what? There'll be no more of this.
Whoa.
I think
One
we'll
eye.
retire one day.
Hair.
Yeah, it might be.
Oh, that's what this
The guy was dancing in opening.
opening. That's the one.
Random.
The future rule.
Shit from English when those two girls fused together.
This guy must remind him of Benji.
Loki.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Aki's the complete opposite.
Act like that. What if he just is like dance?
I know.
Yeah, legit, bro. He's like, damn, your future sucks.
He has to put his head.
So wait, is he? Or if he's even, if he sees in the future that he has a contract with you, maybe. There's all kinds of ways.
I think he's gonna be like,
He's gonna see that
or like the gun level fight, something like that.
He's like, you don't have much of a life left. There's not really much.
Literally.
Right eye.
love.
That's enough.
For what?
Right,
Yeah.
Oh!
No.
No.
I would
Don't tell
know.
us. Spoilers, bro.
Spoilers.
Fucking manga reader.
Better not freaking spoil. Yeah, so he's like, I'm really not gonna take that. Spoilers from like.
That's crazy because they just told us 100% is dying, but you have to wait.
How
This
he's
dude's still whooping y'all ass.
fucking rules.
They're doing better
No, I think that's just their breath.
Oh?
every other day.
Yeah.
It's the beat sign.
Like, so we only gotta get beat up once a week now instead of
Because they made some
every day.
significant improvements.
They scratched him. Congrats, you got 1 belt.
I like how they're actually getting better. But I wonder how long it's been.
Oh,
Wait, what? Just like that?
Fair.
Pull up.
The new Division 4.
Which is everyone combined. Avengers Assemble.
Deadass. The Angel and the Shark will be there.
requires them to go off.
Wow.
Oh man, I know they'll lose. Like, we're not gonna get that until
Yeah.
next episode though.
So he's basically confirming it worked. Hell yeah!
The main goal.
Like he didn't understand the whole
The serious face sounds like, yeah, she being used to.
He did say he's the strongest devil hunter as well.
yeah, he's never not.
Been a couple days.
Everyone is,
Yeah.
bro. They're not dead yet.
No.
They care about them?
I think it's more.
I don't like them too,
The
yeah.
fact that he
shit.
can keep getting back up.
話っていうのは何ですか
Yeah.
大和もバカじゃないだろう。お前、分かっ
I think I don't know if I mentioned this, but I think she wanted it to happen. So she would gain power
No, she knew.
over the fourth division and everyone.
Oh wait, he said two other people. They said two other people. I don't know in the division or in somewhere have contact with the Mirai, the future devil.
Oh
So,
shit. He said
if
if
you
you
think
find out if
she's
anything else,
then
I will fuck
does
you up.
she the other person?
You think she had something to do with that, or she
Hinted
gonna
that
happen and
Makima's
just
not
let it
trash.
happen?
No, she does though.
Okay,
We
yeah.
had two people say that she
But
knew,
he's aware.
but she's like denying it. He literally just said the only way I will let you live is
Sounds like she's got
to work in humanity's best interest.
Do you know what I mean? He just, and she smiled. It's like he's basically saying, I know you're not good guy, and I know you don't care about humans by the sound of it.
As long as you serve mankind's interest, you only say it's self-interest.
Yeah, like self-interest, which is insane.
Wow, okay.
Katana man.
We're literally about to find the time, man.
I feel like we're not gonna see them get defeated in this episode.
This man went Sergio Leone real fast.
Fuck you, Randall.
Oh, Grandpa is that guy. They know.
Damn, let's see how much stronger Denji got since the last fight, because he got bodied last time. It wasn't zombies. Had a grand
Great zombies.
Yeah, the grand application.
Freaking zombies again.
That's pretty cool. I mean, there was some not that strong individuals, so Benji, but I can hear now.
Yeah, so I'm like, that's what Dempsey had to play that first, if I'm not mistaken.
That devil is just in his eye all the time.
本気で殺せるって思ってます。今回、土肥が20人ほど殺したやつに君は負けてるのに。世界中の人間を
You can make for someone we haven't seen fight yet.
実は俺たちも銃の悪魔にめちゃくちゃにされた恨みで公安来ました。
Are they related?
でも銃の悪魔を殺そうなんて思いませんよ。
I might be related to the old man.
考えれば無理ってわかります。正直悪魔見てるとムカつくんですわ。
See what I mean? Like, they're talking big, but we haven't seen anything yet.
Well, if they're talking like that, then they must be.
It's fair.
The goosebumps. Oh, I'm down.
Me too.
I'm down. The goosebumps.
You tell them.
Are they about to get attacked? These angles.
I
are
respect
fucking-
Aki for this, because he's really focused on
No,
this.
it's giving. We about to get
Or we're gonna
ambushed.
see his new power. I want to see him get revenge so bad right now. Like,
What did he say? You
go,
about to die funny, and I want to see it.
Basically, he said that's literally what he said. He said that shit finna be a movie, and I just want to tag along. So, all right, bro, you got it. I'm talking.
That's actually fucked up.
There's a good expectation, like,
Just
nobody's gonna die.
That's
So
right.
it's
Expectations
dying
versus
incredibly.
Damn, son.
君のことムカつくけど応援しとくわ。
Thanks,
最
man.
後にこのことを送る。得意課にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
That's what he was told.
Is this guy not crazy?
But I think when the train was
I
about to
think he
arrive,
is.
that's what he said.
I'm pretty sure
Did
he
you see the little
already
smile?
knew that people are
He just doesn't
crazy.
Aki makes so many friends. What a good guy.
Yeah.
I think it's he's
I think that I think Aki's even more tunnel vision as
Stay
well.
safe.
I guess he comes off the most same.
Just barely.
Oh my god, she's about to kill everyone.
Right? What is this
Stop.
Why?
Okay, that's the boss.
Whoa, this guy just gave
Get
up.
intel, so maybe she can do these reports.
Yeah, what?
They got guns and ammo.
They give the gun devil 20,000 exchange.
So the gun devil needs money.
Alright, we're all thinking the same damn thing.
You don't say.
It's not arms yet.
So she can use the power.
Oh.
Pop him.
No.
As if that's what's gonna happen.
Wow.
Wow, Maki was gonna
Yeah,
give her that.
she's ruthless. I love it.
We don't know what she's gonna do with those names.
Cigar.
Oh,
That's what she wants.
Once again, capping it.
So Makino really wasn't behind the whole little thing. She got all those
Oh,
names,
why
she
would
could
he
go
know?
to the bottom. Go get crushed.
Nah.
I think that's what she considers herself.
Look at her looking at her.
Has to be done. Bro, this episode's about to pop off. The second half of this episode is gonna go crazy. You can tell the build up is happening now. Hey, he's red. Ow! Oh, don't, bro, don't, for your sake. She's got someone's hand in there or something.
Not money.
It's like his daughter or some shit, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Yep.
Oh my days.
No.
She's basically saying, I've got you.
No way.
It's a bag of eyes, nigga.
No.
It's a literal bag of eyeballs.
It was just her eyes.
Oh, blue knees is real.
Someone can heal that. Okay, there's a healer.
She said, we'll give the eyes back.
Nah, I wouldn't.
You don't want to do that.
Otherwise, all these people say,
Oh! That's kind of hot.
she's terrifying.
Is that how terrifying he is?
Dude, something.
Most animes, when they get those speeding, that's me!
Yo, what is she?
Bro, she's extremely overpowered.
Extremely intimidating.
Oh.
I do wonder if Makima.
Get in it. So just write that.
Or not.
Bro, so this episode's gonna leave us with a cliffhanger. And next episode is gonna be the big fight.
Unless the nation itself is holding the leash and maintaining control. What does that even mean, the nation
Doesn't look like a
itself?
raid.
The two of us, that's what matters.
They don't care about the rest.
He should be
No,
shit,
you're not.
huh? Trying to kill them?
And her versus
Yeah,
power?
yeah, exactly.
Nah, no way.
Good luck, dude.
She had enough power to prove that this division.
You already know who's fighting, bro.
This girl, everybody knows.
Why is she here? I mean, I get it. She doesn't
Well,
get her ass down here, but like,
I doubt it. If they got so good that they don't want to train every day.
She's fine too.
I love how much cocky it is. There he is!
How is it laughing at chest out?
No, next episode.
Except I want to see it.
Stop.
I feel like the episode's gonna end right when they enter.
And
Yo!
takes everyone out.
That's like what? Like less than 7?
Only one
I almost thought the episode was gonna end. I'm like, oh!
Y'all failed, don't even bother coming out.
Okay.
Figure from the car park. Wait, it's literally a video game.
Aki's death might be next episode. Chill. Yeah, but I think it is. You got a lot more to do, guys.
Bro, everyone powered up, man.
He's
You get
lit-
snippets.
I think we're gonna end on just as the fight starts.
He's basically saying, don't get away.
But I think he's basically saying, like, if you get in the way of Division 4, it's gonna make it harder.
Oh, no,
Oh my, okay, never mind. He's like, keep them inside the building. They're dangerous.
He says, make sure the entrance is sealed.
Oh.
Is this shot thing? Maybe opening? Yeah, there he is.
I didn't think there was more people.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Oh, bro, he's going through the whole division. Like,
Bro.
The street sharks and people.
I was gonna say, there's some sharks are terrifying.
Oh yeah, who the fuck is that?
Nice.
Right here.
Oh, this is the bird thing for me.
Oh yes. Violence. Oh my days.
Jesus Christ!
She became stronger.
Interesting. I didn't know violence could be a theme.
Yeah.
Oh wait, violence.
Oh my god.
She's dead.
Oh my god.
Is it?
Doll.
Oh, that's creepy. That's creepy.
I thought you were trying to get like, I'm not in so deep. Okay.
Kind of reminds me of the
Oh! Nah, we might see the future one next episode. The angel, the hassle.
Yeah, they're gonna be good. Everybody's a problem here.
Nah, these new devils lit.
Special case.
angel devil.
Fallen angel.
Oh wow.
What the OP?
What?
I can just walk up.
So it's the angel devil. Her left.
You can't use that sword on a close lifespan, no?
Bro, they even drew the back of his earring.
Like, he's not using it.
That's such a
I
small
keep really trying to get
detail.
that close.
What?
I didn't even catch it.
Yeah, the back of his
Can't get a
earring.
hatch.
That's what I'm saying.
With a touch, okay, so
He don't give a shit.
Oh, she's clean.
Good.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's a hero shit.
命令された。まあ、戦うよりはいいけど。
お前らここはマシンガンたちに任せて
We're different, bro. Let's go upstairs.
They're having a good ass time down there.
All I hear is crunching in the background.
Oh,
Bro,
come
he's just excited. He's powers and shit. Like, he just wants to try it out.
The violence fiend just giving everybody hands, bro.
Interesting.
Easy to figure. You should find out what the fuck they are.
Next episode's literally
Right. It must have some limitations.
It's number 4 like Battle in Japan.
The show. Which I guess wasn't Lucifer an angel, though?
Imagine
We
seeing
saw
the
them
future
all.
and you can't stop and you're gonna die. So it's gonna be interesting when the anime reveals the limitation.
The suspense is killing me. Come on, man.
Oh! Not the hair!
He's really like trying to
Sorry, wrong anime.
He probably has like 4 seconds.
That's what
Oh,
I was
here we go,
saying.
Cole.
Like, you already just see it in action just now? Oh, Makima.
Oh, because she ended up getting all the names probably, so she's able to check it out.
Because that's what she did to the other guys.
Yeah.
She
Go
was
home.
like,
That's when you go home, bro.
So she did the same in the building.
Makima, right?
Yo, whose eyes is it?
Yeah, Makima's just, she's doing the operation from a whole different location.
She's got everyone in there as well.
Everybody knows that.
She's crazy. She killed everybody in there, you know.
Oh, it's gonna end it soon. I don't want it to end, bro.
With her Death Note.
Yo, whatever. Yo, I did a lot of. Yeah, you're right. That's probably why those dropped out of nowhere. These things have the simultaneous. Oh, I got the name. He was looking at people.
Oh, he's finding Snake. That's the best revenge. He killed a ghost.
Yes.
She was crushing him.
So that means power and
Let's try to get Dragon.
let's go.
Actually, it was named last time.
There's no
Yeah.
stare each other in the episodes. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, her name's still haven't gone back. Spit it out.
With the body, spit it
Go
out.
with the body. Go
Wait, what?
The music is insane.
Because
Yeah.
she knows that's gonna work in the next one.
Spit out the ghost.
Oh, she can use ghost now?
She has the.
She might have made a contract.
I think she must.
That's
Mate.
Bro, he's gonna be like, yeah, that's what he's using. Yeah. My man's gonna be like future, and then oh, yeah.
What?
That's how it works. So he gets it twisted.
Yo, this chick's cheap. Does she still have the snake?
No, stronger.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Goals! Come on, don't do that.
Alright, let me see. This might be the feature.
Bro,
You know what I
use
mean?
it.
Like anticipating it.
Nah, I don't think so.
This is not disrespect.
Bro, his neck.
bleeding.
Hot. The episode's about to end.
No, he said his death will be epic.
No. Either. No.